Welcome to SmartMoneyHub Academy, your go-to place for financial education. I'm Erin, and in today's video, we're presenting our channel. Whether you're just starting your journey or already looking to sharpen your financial skills, you're in the right place. Let's get started and unlock the secrets to building wealth.
Ever wondered why schools never taught us about money, banking, and investing? You're not alone. We're here to help you take control of your financial future. I've been working in the banking industry for over 4 years as a risk manager. I created SmartMoneyHub Academy to make finance simple and accessible. At SmartMoneyHub Academy, we simplify complex financial concepts into easy lessons. Want to grow your money? We'll teach you how to invest in ETFs. Struggling with budgeting? We reveal the smartest saving strategies. Thinking about passive income? Learn proven ways to make your money work for you. With just 5% of your monthly income, you can start building wealth over time. Let's make financial knowledge your superpower. Join our community, subscribe now, and let's embark on this journey to financial freedom together.
Thanks for tuning in to SmartMoneyHub Academy. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Remember, financial knowledge is the key to unlocking your future success. Until next time, take control of your money and keep learning.